Hi CBT, this is Cynthia 9 from Accra, Ghana. We are now in the raining season. The weather is super cool and amazing. So why not take advantage of the weather to get that beautiful white tone? I'll be showing you how to make your own whitening lotion. Should I say beauty milk? Yeah, to get that luxury fair skin. So without further ado, let's get started. The base I'll be using for this is Pure White Good from Pure White Cosmetics. This lotion evens out your skin tone. It's a dark spot corrector, lightens your dark knees and elbows, and it's anti-aging. It comes in 400 ml size. The next thing we'll be using recovery oil. It's a treatment oil for scars and stretch marks fading. The next one is sandalwood oil. This soothes and calms the skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it also evens out the skin. Next ingredient is the Shinnick Stage 2 Perfect Legs to prevent green veins, stretch marks, and eczema. Then Skin Free Serum. Skin Free, they say, is a strong bleaching serum, but I don't see it to be a bleaching serum. It's actually a lightening serum that glows the skin so well. This clears dark spots and makes the skin even. This is my mixing bowl. I've already sanitized it with the measuring spoon. I'm using 15 ml of the measuring spoon. I'll be using the base, the Pure White Gold, 250 ml. This base is so strong, that's why you mix it with all these oils so that you get a nice shade without any reactions on your skin. No stretch mark, no green veins. Then the recovery oil, I'll use 15 ml. Guys, please like and subscribe to my channel for me so I can be bringing you more videos. Kindly like and subscribe. Next ingredient is the sandalwood oil. I'll be using just 5 ml. This is an essential oil, so I'll be using only 5. Then the Shinnick Perfect Legs Stage 2. I'll use 15 ml. 15 ml so we don't get reactions. Then I'll be putting enough skin-free milk so that the skin can glow very well. So I'll be putting 20 ml to the lotion. So the next product is Pata cream. Pata is a tube cream. After adding all these oils, I don't want the whitening effect to reduce, so I'll boost it using the Pata. This is 40 grams, but I'll use the remaining half. This is about 50 grams, so I'll use it all. No need to measure. And Pata is anti-reaction cream. It also whitens very well. It contains 0.05% clobetasol. Now that everything is measured, I'll mix it very well. So you can use this at night or whenever the sun is not shining, please. Once you are done mixing it very well, you can go ahead and package it. You bottle it up and use. This will give you a very nice sheet, very smooth. So just make sure to massage it well into your skin. Thank you so much for watching to this point. See you in another video.